Halo hai sahabat menjawab, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sudah siap membahas hari ini? Yuk mulai, bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Sebelum mulai, aku mau ucapin terima kasih bagi kalian yang udah like dan subscribe. Oke, kita buka buku bahasa Inggris kelas 9, halaman 111 dulu ya. Udah? Oke, hari ini kita akan membaca percakapan antara Siti, Dayu, dan Udin. Nah, mereka berbicara tentang anak yatim piatu yang bernama Riri. Oke, langsung kita mulai aja ya. Aku akan menerjemahkannya. Kemudian kita baca sama-sama. I think Riri is the most interesting orphan I have ever known. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to talk to her personally. Can you tell me how she has come to the orphan home? Saya berpikir Riri is the most interesting orphan. Riri adalah yatim piatu yang paling menarik I have ever known, yang pernah aku temui. Unfortunately, sayangnya I didn't have a chance, saya tidak punya kesempatan to talk to her personally, untuk berbicara secara personal dengannya. Can you tell me, dapatkah kamu memberitahuku how she has come, bagaimana dia bisa datang to the orphan home, ke rumah panti asuhan gitu. Oke, ulangi ya. I think Riri is the most interesting orphan I have ever known. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to talk to her personally. Can you tell me how she has come to the orphan's home? Kemudian Dayu, well, I don't know much about her either, because I have met her only 3 times. What I know is that she was a only child. Her father died when she was a baby, and her mother 8 years ago. She's been an orphan for 8 years, but she's lived in the orphanage for only 6 years now. Oke, artinya, well, sebenarnya I don't know much about her either. Saya juga nggak tahu banyak tentangnya. Because I have met her only 3 times. Karena aku baru bertemu dengannya 3 kali. What I know, apa yang aku tahu is that she was the only child, bahwa dia anak satu-satunya. Her father died when she was a baby. Ayahnya meninggal ketika dia masih bayi. And her mother 8 years ago. Dan ibunya 8 tahun lalu. She's been an orphan for 8 years. Dia sudah menjadi yatim selama 8 tahun. But she lived in the orphanage for only 6 years now. Tapi dia tinggal di panti asuhan selama 6 tahun sekarang. Terus Udin, why does she live with her grandparents? Kenapa dia tidak tinggal dengan kakek neneknya? Why doesn't he live with her grandparents? They both have passed away. Her grandfather died even before she was born, and her grandmother died 6 years ago. They both have passed away. Mereka berdua sudah meninggal. Her grandfather died even before she was born. Kakeknya meninggal bahkan sebelum dia lahir. And her grandmother died 6 years ago. Dan neneknya meninggal 6 tahun lalu. Terus, why doesn't she live with a relative? Kenapa dia tidak tinggal dengan saudara lainnya gitu? Why doesn't she live with a relative? Kemudian Dayu, she has an uncle from her mother's side, but his house is small. He's a scavenger, and he has 5 children. He has put Riri there so that she can get better care and she can go to a good school. She has an uncle from her mother's side. Dia punya paman dari ibunya. But his house is small, tapi rumahnya kecil. He's a scavenger. Dia adalah pemulung, and he has 5 children. Dan dia punya 5 anak. He has put Riri there so that she can get better care. Dia menaruh Riri di sana sehingga dia dapat better care, pertolongan yang lebih baik mungkin. And she can go to good school, dan dia dapat pergi ke sekolah yang baik juga gitu. Terus, why doesn't she live with him instead? Kenapa dia tidak tinggal dengannya juga? Why doesn't she live with him instead? Terus Siti bilang, does he often visit her? Apakah dia sering mengunjunginya? Terus Dayu bilang, yes, her uncle and his family have visited her a lot of time. They routinely visit her once a month. Yes, her uncle and his family, pamannya dan keluarganya, have visited her a lot of time. Telah mengunjungi dia berkali-kali. They routinely visit her on once a month. Dia dengan rutin dikunjungi setiap 1 bulan gitu. It must be sad to be an orphan and live in orphan home. It must be sad, pasti menyedihkan, to be an orphan, jadi yatim piatu, and live in orphan home, dan tinggal di rumah yatim piatu, panti asuhan. It must be sad to be an orphan and live in orphan home. Kemudian Dayu bilang, Riri is not a gloomy kid. She is a cheerful and friendly girl. She has even shown her great care for needy children like her. Riri is not a gloomy kid. Riri bukan orang yang menyedihkan. She is cheerful and friendly girl. Dia orang yang ceria dan sangat ramah gitu, baik, friendly. She has even shown her great care, bahkan dia telah menunjukkan kepedulian yang baik for needy children like her, kepada anak-anak yang membutuhkan sepertinya. Riri is not a gloomy kid. She has a cheerful and friendly girl. She has even shown her great care for needy children like her. Terus Siti, what do you mean? Maksudmu apa? What do you mean? Terus Dayu, she has participated very actively in the group activity. They have made handcraft and sold them. They have used the profit to help street children and poor family. The program has run for almost 2 years now. She has participated very actively in the group activity. Dia sudah berpartisipasi dengan sangat aktif in a group activity, di grup aktivitas. They have made handcraft and sold them. Dia sudah membuat kerajinan tangan dan menjualnya. They have used the profit to help street children and poor family. Dia telah menggunakan keuntungannya untuk membantu anak-anak jalanan dan keluarga miskin. The program has run for almost 2 years now. Dan programnya sudah berjalan hampir 2 tahun dari sekarang. She had participated very actively in the group activities. They have made handcraft and sold them. They have used the profit to help street children and poor family. The program has run for almost 2 years. Oke. Kemudian kata Udin, wow, that's amazing. I've never thought of that before. I thought that the kids in orphan homes were sad kids who needed our help, but they help other people instead. Wow, that's amazing. Itu luar biasa. I've never thought of that before. Aku tidak berpikir tentang itu sebelumnya. I thought that the kids in orphan home were sad kid who need our help. Saya berpikir bahwa anak-anak panti, anak-anak yatim piatu, anak-anak di panti asuhan were sad kid, adalah anak-anak yang sedih, who need our help, yang membutuhkan bantuan kita. But they help other people instead. But dia juga membantu orang lain. Wow, that's amazing. I've never thought of that before. I thought that The kids in orphan homes were sad kids who need our help, but they help other people instead. Kemudian Siti, what have they done for the street children? What have they done for the street children? Apa yang dia lakukan untuk anak-anak jalanan? Terus Dayu bilang, they have done one thing for the street children and one thing for the poor family. To celebrate the 15th birthday of the orphanage, they gave 30 street children 20,000 rupiah each. Early this month, they went to some poor family in the neighborhood and give each family gift containing sugar, cooking oil, and rice. Okay, they have done one thing for street children. Dia sudah melakukan untuk anak-anak jalanan and one thing for poor family, dan sesuatu untuk keluarga miskin. They celebrate 15th untuk merayakan 15 tahun 15th birthday of the orphanage, 15 tahun ulang tahun dari panti asuhan. They gave 30 street children, dia memberi 30 anak jalanan 20,000 rupiah each, memberi 20,000 rupiah ya masing-masing. Early this month, sejak bulan ini, they went to some poor family, mereka pergi ke keluarga miskin in the neighborhood, di sekitarnya, and give each family gift, dan memberi setiap keluarga hadiah containing sugar, yang berisi sugar, gula, cooking oil, minyak goreng, and rice. Nah, itu dia. Oke, itu dia ya pembahasan mengenai orphanage. Kalau kalian ada pertanyaan bisa tinggalkan di kolom komentar ya. Jangan lupa di like dan subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.